Was I the only one who was hella confused during Interstellar? Because what do you mean you went into a black hole and then you entered the fifth dimension and time was a physical dimension and then you came back and you were back in time? If you're as confused as I am, I recommend you watching Neil deGrasse Tyson's podcast with Kip Thorne on it, who was the scientific overseer of the physics of Interstellar. But also, what do we mean when we're talking about dimensions? I'm sure you're aware by now that we live in 3 spatial dimensions: forward, back, left, right, up, down. And time is often described as our 4th dimension because we can only go in one direction of it, which is to the future. Which is how time became a physical dimension when Cooper was in the 5th dimension, because time is the 4th dimension. Higher dimensions are mathematical necessities for advanced models of the universe. For example, string theory requires 10 spatial dimensions. On that same podcast that I was talking about, the theoretical physicist Michio Kaku was telling Neil deGrasse Tyson and his co-host about how if there were 12 spatial dimensions, there would be 2 times. Anyways, I don't have a PhD, so if you have any questions that are more complex than what I have demonstrated that I know, go search them up.